Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a topic that's been requested a lot lately, the smoothie diet. The smoothie diet is a popular way to lose weight and improve your health, and it's been gaining a lot of attention lately. In this video, we're going to discuss what the smoothie diet is, how it works, and some tips to help you get started. First, let's define what the smoothie diet actually is. The smoothie diet is a diet plan that involves replacing some or all of your meals with smoothies made from fruits, vegetables, and other healthy ingredients. The idea is that by drinking nutrient-dense smoothies, you can improve your overall health and lose weight. So, how does the smoothie diet work? When you consume smoothies, you're getting a lot of nutrients from the fruits and vegetables in them. This can help you feel full and satisfied, while also giving your body the vitamins and minerals it needs. Many people find that they eat less overall when they're on the smoothie diet, which can lead to weight loss. If you're interested in trying the smoothie diet, here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Invest in a high-quality blender. A good blender is essential for making smoothies. Look for one with a strong motor and sharp blades. 2. Choose your ingredients carefully. Make sure you're using a variety of fruits and vegetables to get a range of nutrients. You can also add in protein powders or other supplements if you'd like. 3. Start slowly. If you're new to the smoothie diet, start by replacing one meal a day with a smoothie. You can gradually increase the number of smoothies you have each day as you get more comfortable with the diet. 4. Stay hydrated. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. 5. Be patient. It can take time to see results on the smoothie diet. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate weight loss. So, there you have it, a quick overview of the smoothie diet. While it's not for everyone, many people find that it's a great way to improve their health and lose weight. If you're interested in trying the smoothie diet, remember to invest in a good blender, choose your ingredients carefully, start slowly, stay hydrated, and be patient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.